Today, we have a story about a strange box and a very big surprise.
Mom, look!
What is it?
There is a box near our door.
A box?
Yes, and nobody is here.
Maybe it's a gift.
For who?
Maybe for us.
Let's see.
Wait, there is no name.
No name?
That's strange.
Should we open it?
Yes!
Open it. Dad slowly opens the box.
What is that?
It's a key.
Just a key?
And a note.
What does it say?
Find the red tree.
What does that mean?
I don't know, but I want to find out.
The family walks to the park.
Look, that tree is red.
There is something under it.
A small bag.
Open it.
Another note.
What does it say?
Go to the old bridge.
This is like a treasure hunt.
I love treasure hunt.
Me too.
But who made it? Nobody knows. At the old bridge.
There, a little box.
What's inside?
Another clue.
Read it.
Go to the place where families laugh.
Families laugh everywhere.
Think carefully.
Wait. The playground.
Let's go. They run to the playground.
Look! Behind the slide.
Another box.
And another note.
What now? Why are you smiling?
Do you know something?
Maybe.
Tell us!
Not yet.
Tom opens the note.
Go home.
Home? That's boring.
Maybe the treasure is there. They hurry home. Tom opens the front door. Wow!
No way! The living room is full of balloons.
What is happening?
Happy birthday, Tom!
Birthday?
The clues were part of your surprise.
I knew something was happening.
You knew?
Only a little.
This is amazing.
Did you enjoy the adventure?
Yes! It was the best birthday ever.
Later that evening.
Dad?
Yes.
I thought the treasure would be money.
And?
The adventure was better.
And the cake.
Yes. The cake, too. Everyone laughs.
A strange box. A mystery key. And one unforgettable birthday. Sometimes the best treasure is not something you find. It is a memory you create. See you in the next story.